Okay, so we're gonna fix this Xbox, and it had 3 red rings of death, so we had to open it up.
Alright, what's your problem? Let's see what you're gonna want to do. Happy 50, going to be wicked, the door closed.
Yes.
And then this part right here is what you want to do. You're gonna want to take the hammer. Alright. Condom. Take this fan and shove it up your fucking asshole. Alright. You got this thing right here. I don't know what the hell that is. Ready?
How intriguing is this? Hold on. I see a little mistake right there. Alright, I think that fixed it a little.
Right? We got this, another one of these is what one of these. Look at it. Look at him. Stuff spat out.
Okay, so it's just disappeared on us. Now what you want to do is take the lighter and overheat it.
Yep.
Yep, that's how you do it.
Make sure you smoke a lot of cigarettes too. It's healthy for you.
It is. Make sure you overheat that. Once